Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel Southeast. Hope all are safe and healthy. As you all know, because of the coronavirus pandemic, schools have not yet started. I hope you all are missing your school. No issues. Every problem has a solution. Your class is just one click away. This way, we shall make you stay connected to your academics and not lose grip. Me, Vijayalakshmi Das, is here to discuss first chapter of Social Studies, Class 3, that is, Our Universe. In this chapter, we will learn about sun, moon, stars, planets, constellations, and satellites. Children, can you find any difference between daytime and nighttime? Yes, we see the sun and the blue sky during daytime and stars and moon during the night sky. The sky looks blue because of the Earth's atmosphere. Millions of stars twinkle in the sky at night. In fact, the stars are huge heavenly bodies much bigger than our Earth. They are very far away from us, so they look very small in size. They are huge balls of hot burning gases and have their own heat and light like the sun. Our sun is also a star. The universe. The universe is a huge and endless expanse of millions and millions of stars with all the heavenly bodies. There are many galaxies in the universe. A galaxy is a very large system consisting of stars, planets, gas, dust, and huge dark holes. Constellation. We can see many groups of stars of different patterns in the dark night. A group of stars that form a definite pattern is called a constellation. We can see a very bright star in the northern direction of the sky in the night time. That star is called as the pole star. Solar system. Of the universe, our Earth is a tiny part of the galaxy called the Akash Ganga or the Milky Way. In the space, the sun, the planets, their satellites, and asteroids all together form the solar system with the sun at the center. The sun we see is the star nearest to our Earth. It is round, huge ball of fire made up of hot burning gases. It gives us heat, light, and energy. Planets. The word planet means wandering star. All the planets are not stationary. The planets with their satellites move or revolve around the sun at different distances and speeds along a fixed elliptical path called the orbit. The planets in order of the distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Our Earth, a special planet. The Earth has air, water, soil, suitable temperatures, and conditions to support life. So, there is life on this planet. Our Earth is the only planet in solar system where life exists, and we human beings stay on the third planet of the solar system, that is Earth. Now, let's know about the difference between a star and a planet. Stars has own light, is larger in size, and it is fixed in a place. Planets. It has no light, it is small in size, and it revolves round the sun. The moon. The moon is also a celestial body and a part of the solar system. It is the only natural satellite of the Earth. It is smaller in size in comparison with the Earth and completes one revolution of the Earth in 27 and a half days. The moon does not have its own heat and light. It shines as it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. The moon appears to change its shapes. The changes are known as the phases of moon. The moon takes 27 and a half days to rotate as well as revolve around the earth. Satellites. They are of two types. First one, natural satellite. Second one, artificial satellite. Artificial satellites are objects made by man and orbit the earth and other planets in the solar system. Many artificial satellites have been sent into the space by the scientists. These are quite helpful to us in many ways. Now, let us know the difference between natural satellites and artificial satellites. Natural satellites are formed by nature. They are not controlled by humans. They are permanent. They are not used for communications. Artificial satellites, they are man-made. They are controlled by humans. They are temporal. They can communicate with instruments on Earth. Now, let us have a quick scroll on the chapter we have discussed till now. The universe is a huge and endless expanse having groups of millions of galaxies. The Sun is a star. The Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. The planets shine and reflect the Sun's light. Our Earth is the third farthest planet from the Sun. Due to the presence of water, air, soil, and suitable temperature, the Earth has life on it. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe my channel Southeast. Thank you.